Guys, what is up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Kaylee. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm going to be talking to you all about lashes today. I'm going to be showing you how to apply mascara if it's something new for you or if you're just not that experienced with applying mascara, the proper way to apply mascara to make your lashes look really long and full and just as beautiful as they possibly can. Then I'm also going to be showing you how to put on false lashes. A lot of people always ask me, how do you get your lashes to look so real and so natural even though they're false lashes? And today I'm just going to share with you guys those tips on how to apply your lashes flawlessly, how to make them look perfect and really realistic and natural looking every time that you apply them. So this is going to be for all of the beginners who don't know how to apply mascara properly and who don't know how to apply lashes. This video is for you guys. So today is my first day actually filming with my brand new lights. I have some new lights here, so that's why the lighting probably looks different, and hopefully this will be the last video that I will be filming using this backdrop. I have been working super hard trying to get my little beauty room, filming room set up and decorated so that it can look cute and I can use that for my backdrop instead of using this sparkly sequin backdrop every time I film. So I'm actually sitting in the room right now. I'm this close to being done, and then I will be filming a little room tour and showing you guys DIYs and hacks on how to get your room to look really luxe and really nice for a really affordable price, and just little DIYs and hacks that I have for you guys. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please make sure to click that subscribe button down below. I put up new videos every week, and if you're excited to see how to apply mascara the proper way and how to apply false lashes and make them look really beautiful and natural, then please keep watching and let's go ahead and get started. Alright, we are real super close and personal now so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. So first I'm just starting with a pair of clean eyelash curlers. And I really like to grab the lashes as close to the base as possible without pulling them. And once you clamp the lashes, I like to lift the eyelash curler. So the mascara I'm going to be using today is the Superhero Mascara from IT. If you have too much product on there, that's when it starts to look clumpy. You really don't need that much at all. And don't ever pump your wand into here to get more product on it because that really dries out your mascara. So just one dip in and then wipe off the excess. So start with at the outer corner and you're just gonna wiggle back and forth and up. Back and forth and up. And that's how you get the most separation and the most coverage with your mascara, and just really try to get to as close to the base of your lashes as possible, and then you can use the tip of the wand to go in and separate even further if you want, like this. But always start on one side and get the lashes how you're wanting them to look before you move to the middle and then to the other side. Once that mascara starts to dry on your lashes and then you try to go back and mess with it even more, that's when it really starts looking clumpy. So just be careful of that. And then I switch the wand over, and always lean your head back whenever you're applying your mascara, because that'll keep the wand or your lashes from touching your eyelid and ruining your face makeup. Also, you can do the back and forth motion with the wand vertical as well on the inner corner. Sometimes this is a little bit easier. And then if you get any fallout from the mascara on your face, just leave it until it dries, and then you can go back with a dry Q-tip and just wipe that product away. And if you want to go an extra step, once your mascara has completely dried, you can go back with your eyelash curler and curl it one last time, but just be extra careful with this step. I'm going to go back in, I'm going to blink a couple times to make sure all my lashes are in the eyelash curler. I'm barely squeezing and I'm lifting. And then before beginning the bottom mascara, I always like to take a little bit of a loose powder to put a little bit of this directly under my eyes, so that if you touch the wand or your eyelashes touch the bottom of your face, it just makes it really easy to wipe away any of that mascara. Just a little bit of product on the wand, wipe off the excess, and then we're gonna do the same back and forth motions. If you're doing a natural look, you don't have to wear mascara on the bottom. I mean, it always looks better if you do, but you don't necessarily have to. But if you're doing a dramatic winged liner with some eyeshadow, please always just make sure to put a little bit of mascara on the bottom lashes. Even if your lashes are very short and small, it just really completes any look and makes it look so much better. Bottom mascara, no bottom mascara, it just makes the eyes look more open, bigger, more awake. And look at that, I didn't even get any mascara on my face. Go ahead and dust away that extra powder that we had under the eyes. And this is how the eyes look with the mascara. So when I am wearing false lashes and I don't have any eyeliner on like this, I always like to go with the ones that are a little bit more of this shape shape or this shape here where they're a little bit longer in the center and shorter on the outer corners. I just think that that really helps to frame the eye. And then when I'm doing a more dramatic winged liner, I like to go with something that's like this shape where it's shorter at the inner corner, longer at the outer corner, and that really emphasizes that cat eye winged liner. I am gonna go with these. These are the number 812. Now, if you're just starting out with lashes, I don't recommend going in without any eyeliner whatsoever. It just makes it so much easier to disguise the lash band if you have a little bit of liner, at least just a little line of eyeliner. That really just helps to disguise that lash band and make everything look more seamless. When you're first getting your lashes and you're wearing them for the first time, you wanna make sure to measure them against your eye to see how they fit. And these ones actually have a little bit of extra lash band at the inner and the outer corner. So just go ahead, and I like to use a good pair of hair cutting scissors. These are pretty affordable from the drugstore or a beauty supply store. You can pick these up there for a pretty reasonable price. Go ahead and trim off those excess corners first, and just go ahead and hold it up to your eye and just kind of place it on there and measure how much you want to cut off. And then if there is an outer corner versus an inner corner on the lashes, you want to hold the lash up, and you always want to cut from the outer corner. So I'm going to wear this one on this eye, so I'm going to cut from the outer corner here. Don't ever cut from the inner corner, because that's where you get those nice tapered shorter lashes. You want to go ahead and cut from the outer corner. And on this lash in particular, I always like to flip it over since I'm right-handed, and it just makes it a little bit easier to cut rather than trying to cut from over here. I flip the lash over and I cut from over here, and I'm just gonna cut one or two little bunch of lashes off. And I like to grab a little bit of the outer corner and a little bit of the inner corner so that it kind of makes the lash straight in your hand. And I'm just using the Duo Lash Adhesive. You can get this from any drugstore. It's pretty affordable, and in my opinion, it works pretty good. So then you just want to take the glue, and it's a little bit more than you think. You don't want to put too much, and if it's a new bottle like this, it's going to be a little bit runnier, so just be careful. You just want to take the glue and run it across the lash. Be careful if it tries to drip out on you. Especially make sure that the inner and the outer corners are covered in the glue, like so. And then you just want to set that off to the side for a second to dry. Normally I would be applying my mascara while this dries, but we're just going to wait about 30 seconds until that glue becomes really tacky and it's no longer completely white. It's started to become a little bit clear, and that means that it's starting to dry down. So I like to grab the lash in the center, and then I like to place it into the center of the eye first, and then I grab the outer corner and I place that all the way at the edge of the eye and as close to the base of the lashes as possible. Try to keep the lashes angled up if you can. And then lastly, I place the inner corner. And that is how you apply the lashes. If you want to, and if it's easier for you, you can use a pair of curved tweezers to apply your lashes. And then I like to use these to go back in after I have applied the lash and just squeeze the lash with my natural lashes to really help that blend together, and it just makes it look a lot more seamless if you do that. Or if you don't have the curved tweezers, again, just using your finger to do this will accomplish relatively the same effect. And then once you have both of your lashes applied, if you want, you can go back in with a little bit of more mascara. I know a lot of people like to put on the lashes before they do the mascara, but I really think it helps to save the lash and make it look pretty and last a lot longer and be reused more times if you don't do that. So that's just my personal opinion. If you want to reuse your lashes more, do your mascara first. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. I do hope that I was able to help you learn how to apply mascara and how to apply some false lashes. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, make sure that you click that subscribe button down below before you leave. I would very much appreciate that. And thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have an awesome week, and I will see you in my next video.